parity property. The parity of an integer is the property that they say that an integer is even or it is odd. That's called the parity property. So the parity of an integer refers to the integer being even or odd. Whether the integer is even or odd. Very well. We have the following scenario. Any two consecutive integers have opposite parity. Theorem. If you have two consecutive integers, they definitely have opposite parities. It means that one of them is even, the other one is odd, or the first one is odd, the second one is even. Parity. The proof is very easy. You're just following the definition of being even, being odd. So for the proof, we use the definition. So you have two consecutive numbers, am I right? So the very first one is represented by m, and the second one, that's the definition of consecutive integers, is m plus 1. Case 1. If m is even, it means that by definition, there is an integer or some integers like k such that m is equal to 2k. Okay, you have 2k, so 2k plus 1, m plus 1 is 2k plus 1, which is by definition an odd integer. So if the first one is even, the second one is definitely odd. The second case, now switch this. If m is odd, by definition, there are some integers. There is an integer, you definitely can find one, like k, that m is equal to 2k plus 1. All right. Now to construct the second integer, the consecutive, you're adding 1 to both sides. So m plus 1 is 2k plus 1 plus another 1. So m plus 1 is equal to 2k plus 2, or if you factor out 2, k plus 1, or 2l. So by definition, m plus 1 is even. M plus 1 is even. If the first one is odd, the second one is definitely an even integer.